Kevin Magnussen was fortunate to escape a high-speed crash, following a frenetic start to the Belgian Grand Prix. The 23-year-old former McLaren driver lost control of his Renault coming out of Eau Rouge, arguably Formula One's most iconic corner, where he would have been approaching speeds of 180 mph. Magnussen, who was running in 8th place, slammed into the tire barrier and suffered significant damage to the rear of his car, but incredibly the Danish driver was able to walk away from the incident, albeit with a limp. Magnussen was whisked off the on-track medical center for a further examination following the crash. The safety car was initially deployed, but with damage sustained to the tire barrier, the race was suspended on lap 8 for further repairs. Magnussen's accident capped an incredible start to the Belgian Grand Prix, Formula One's first race in nearly 1 month, following its traditional summer break with Max Verstappen, Sebastian Vettel and Kimi Räikkönen all involved in a first corner incident. Lewis Hamilton, who started from 21st on the grid following a raft of engine changes, had incredibly navigated his way to 5th place at the time of the red after negotiating the early drama. Nico Rosberg claimed his 6th win of the season with an easy victory at the Belgian Grand Prix. The German crossed the line comfortably clear of Red Bull's Daniel Ricciardo, as Hamilton came from the back row to take the final step on the podium following a breathless race at Spa. Rosberg was barely aware of the chaos that raged behind him as he streaked away from pole position to take maximum points and reduce Hamilton's championship lead to 9 with 8 races to go.
Yeah.